In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate your email reports in Trello so you can stay updated on your projects without manually checking your boards every single day. If you're managing tasks, deadlines, or a team, automated email reports can save you a huge amount of time and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. I'll walk you through the entire setup step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have your Trello board sending reports automatically. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your Trello board. Log into your Trello account and open the specific board where you want to automate email reports. This could be a project board, a content calendar, a lesson plan, or any workflow board you're using. Make sure you're on the correct board because the automation we're setting up will apply specifically to this board. Once you're inside the board, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Automation. Click on that. This opens Trello's built-in automation tool, also known as Butler. Butler allows you to create rules, buttons, and scheduled commands, but today we're focusing specifically on email reports. After clicking on Automation, find and click on Email Reports. This section allows you to automatically send summaries of your board activity directly to your inbox or to your team members. It's perfect for getting daily or weekly updates without having to log in and manually review everything. Now you'll see different types of report options. Trello typically gives you options like Board Snapshot, Due Soon cards, and Overdue cards. Let me quickly explain what each of these does so you can choose the right one for your needs. A Board Snapshot gives you a general overview of what's happening on the board. Due Soon cards will send you a report of cards with upcoming deadlines. Overdue cards will notify you about tasks that have passed their due date. Choose the report type that fits your workflow best by clicking on it. After selecting the type of report, it's time to set up the schedule. You'll be able to choose how often you want the email to be sent. For example, you might want a daily summary every morning at 8 a.m., or maybe a weekly report every Friday afternoon. Select the frequency, choose the time, and confirm the recipients who should receive the report. You can send it to yourself, specific team members, or everyone on the board depending on your needs. Once you've configured the timing and recipients, click on Schedule Report. That's it. Your automated email report is now active. Trello will automatically generate and send reports based on the schedule you selected, keeping you and your team informed without any extra manual work. Now, if you ever want to check, edit, or delete your automated email reports, go back to the Automation section. Then click on View and Edit Email Reports. Here, you'll see a list of all the reports you've scheduled for that board. You can adjust the timing, change recipients, switch the report type, or delete the automation entirely if you no longer need it. This gives you full control over your automated updates. And that's how you automate your email reports in Trello. As you can see, it only takes a few minutes to set up, but it can save you hours of manual checking and help your team stay aligned and on schedule. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.